take a seat. Also, I didn't realize that was our stuff.
Look at it. Look at it.
Did you know Amazon came in and dropped it off?
Yeah.
I did not. I didn't even notice. Okay, well, my name's Marshall. I'll be back. And if you have a driver's license,
Lose a gift.
that's good.
Oh, that's the front. I see those lights, baby. Yeah. Two lights? Got more than that.
And you have the title for the vehicle as well. And how much that's great. All of that, you said on the table.
Put all that slowly. Then I'm gonna go get it.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Hey, Liam.
No, that's not right.
Yeah.
What you got in there? Let me see.
Liam, look. Oh, you got the big one.
Thank you.
Alright, give me 2 seconds.
All right, I'm here, Dad.
Actually,
Pull it out for us. Hang on, it's coming through.
You said real.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, strip it out.
I know it's in. You don't want it?
Like, man, I'm so tired of how slow this is.
Yeah, it's fine, baby. You gotta give it a minute.
And then he's gonna drive it out here for you.
Okay. It is so pretty, though.
It is. Come back over here, baby.
He's like, alright, come on. Open the door.
Almost there.
Boom.